Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Our idea of choice is constructivism theory, as you can see, because it is the theory of learning which posits that students learn by actively constructing their own knowledge. Its benefit is that it promotes social and communication skills by creating a classroom environment that emphasizes collaboration and exchange of ideas. As you can see here, students are collaborating and exchanging ideas with each other. It also those are the combination of behaviorism and cognitivism theory, which influences the way children behave in the classroom. Learners learn how to articulate their ideas clearly as well as collaborate all tasks effectively. Its key principles is that it is a learner-centered activity, which means that learning is centered around learners, and it includes direct instruction for learners to understand the information deeply. It is also effective, which makes learners explore, reflect, and share their understanding. As you can see, learners, they are exploring and sharing their ideas. Its limitation is that it is time-consuming, as it is a learner-centered activity, and that may lead to a teacher not completing the syllabus on time. As you can see here, a teacher is doing a sit-in with the learners, and that is time-consuming. Also, it requires a teacher who has a lot of knowledge, because a teacher's lack of knowledge may lead to a learner's confusion.
Now, a constructive teaching and learning theory is relevant because learners are able to interact with each other and engage during the lessons. Reflecting on my own experience as a teacher, my teacher encouraged participation in the classroom by allowing its learners to share ideas in the classroom. In this way, no learner was left behind. Everyone was accommodated. My worldview was shaped by the way I view teaching as a career choice. My teacher inspired me to become one of the greatest teachers in the world.
We have come to the understanding of this theory through our lectures, who gave us thorough explanation during lecture sessions, as well as examples we did on assessment based on teaching and learning theories, where we did a great research on these theories, and we found constructivism theory as the one to use when teaching. What influenced our choices for this theory are its strengths, as they support the learner's construction of knowledge, and that their views are acknowledged by educators.
As educators, constructivism theory means keeping learners on their toes during the lesson. This creates situations where learners challenge each other. We will use this theory to teach and access learners by using problem-based strategies, scaffolding, and modeling. This will therefore help ensure learners enjoy lessons and they attend because they want to, not because they have to.
It is easy for an educator to construct a lesson because when using constructivism theory when teaching, since it is a learner-centered activity, it is easy for a teacher to create a discussion with learners and communicate with them, since they are open to gather their own knowledge. As you can see, a teacher here is discussing and collaborating with learners to gather their knowledge. Also, it is easy for a teacher to add on the learner's knowledge.